guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is a brand new ad and we have some good deals going on. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here. I hope you subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. First deal I have is spend $30 get $10 back. Pick up 2 Pampers diapers on sale for 2 for $22 and a Pampers wipes on sale for $7.49. These 3 items will total $29.49 and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 30. If you're doing this exact deal, make sure your store follows the 98% rule. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the diaper and a $1 off digital coupon for the wipes. That will take off $4 and you pay $25.49, get 10 back, making all 3 items just $15.49 or $5.16 each. We have more spend 30 get $10 deals coming up in this video, but remember this deal is a limit of 1 per account per week. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $4 back, and Crest toothpaste and Oral-B toothbrushes are part of this deal and they're on sale for 2 for $8. Pick up 1 Crest toothpaste and 1 Oral-B toothbrush. Check your app. We have a $1 coupon for the Crest toothpaste and another $1 coupon for the Oral-B toothbrush. Both coupons will take off $2 and you pay $6, get 4 back, making them 2 or $1 each. The next oral care deal I have is on Colgate Total. They're on the deal of spend 10 get 5 back. Pick up 2 Colgate Total toothpaste priced at $5.29 each, and both will total $10.58. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6.58 and get 5 back, making them just $1.58 or 79 cents each. The next deal I have is not giving back any extra care box, and that will be on the Kellogg's Rice Krispie Treats or the Pop-Tarts. They're on sale for 2 for $4. Pick up 2, pay $4, and that will make each pack just $2. The next deal I have is spend 12 get 7 back on any Neutrogena cosmetics. Pick up the Neutrogena eyeshadow primer or the eyeliner. Both are priced at $11.99 each, but you're just picking up one. And the $11.99 is within the 98% rule for spend 12. I heard some stores don't follow the 98% rule, so all you have to do is ask your cashier if they do follow it. That way you will get your extra care box back. Picking up this item priced at $11.99, we have a $3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.99 and you get 7 back, making it just $1.99. My next deal is spend 15 get 6 on any Garnier facial care. Pick up the Garnier cleansing balm priced at $14.99 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 15. We have a $3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $11.99 and you get 6 back, making it just $5.99. I always get the 2 of 10 Garnier facial care CRT, but last week I did not get it and this week I did not get one either. If you have the 2 of 10 Garnier facial care CRT, this will be your breakdown. Pick up 1 Garnier cleansing balm priced at $14.99. Use the $3 digital coupon and the 2 of 10 Garnier facial care CRT. Both will take off $5 and you pay $9.99 and get 6 back, making it just $3.99. My next deal is on Garnier Fructis shampoo or conditioners. They're on sale for 2 for $8 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. This might not be the cheapest we get them at CVS, but if you need them and you don't mind paying a little more, this will be your breakdown. Pick up 2, pay $8 and get $3 back, making them $5 or $2.50 each. My next deal is on OGX Hair Care. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and they are part of buy 2 get $4 back. And they are also priced at $9.29 each. Pick up 2 and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $4.65. These two will total $13.94. Use the 6 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.94 and get 4 back, making them just $3.94 or $1.97 each. Another good hair care deal we have this week will be on L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner. They're on sale for 2 for $10 and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2, use the 4 off 2 digital coupon we have and you pay $6 and get 4 back, making them $2 or $1 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 3 back on any 11.6 to 12.5 ounce Garnier Whole Blends shampoo or conditioner. Pick up 2, they are priced at $6.29 each. Both will total $12.58. Use the 3 off 2 whole blend digital coupon and you pay $9.58. Get 3 back, making them $6.58 or $3.29 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 5 back on Clairol hair colors. Pick up 2 Clairol textures and tones priced at $8.49 each. Both will total $16.98. Use the 6 off 2 Clairol digital coupon and you pay $10.98. Get 5 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. Clairol Color Strong hair color is on the deal of buy 1 get 5 back. Pick up 1 price at $16.99. Use the 4 off digital coupon and you pay $12.99. Get 5 back, making it just $7.99. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 3 back on any Irish Spring or soft soap body wash, the 20 ounce, and they are on sale for 2 for $11. Pick up 1 soft soap body wash and 1 Irish Spring body wash. Pick your app. We have a $2 coupon for the Irish Spring and a $2 coupon for the soft soap. Both coupons will take off $4 and you pay $7. Get back 3, making them $4 or $2 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 7 back on any Nivea body wash, and I'll give you 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 Nivea men body wash priced at $5.99 each. Both will total $11.98. Pay that and get 7 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. My second option is to pick up 2 Nivea women body wash priced at $6.99 each. Both will total $13.98. Pay that and get 7 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. I have more spend $30 get $10 options for you, and the next one I have is to pick up 2 Tide detergents on sale for $14.99 each. Both will total $29.98. And that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. Use a $3 digital coupon for 1 and go on Coupon 24 app and use another $3 coupon. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $23.98. Get 10 back, making them $13.98 or $6.99 each. The next option I have is to pick up 2 Febreze car air freshener on sale for $5.99, 1 Lysol air sanitizer on sale for $9.99, and 1 Febreze scent booster on sale for $9.99. These 4 items will total $31.96. For Febreze car air freshener, you need 2 coupons for them, and I have 3 options for you. We have $3 digital coupon, and on Coupons 24 app, there is a $3 coupon. And last week, I received a P&G mail that have $3 coupon also. I hope you have at least 2 of these 3 options I just shared. Use a $5 digital coupon for the scent booster and a $4 off Lysol air sanitizer digital coupon. That will leave you to pay $16.96. Get 10 back, making them $6.96 or $1.74 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.